As of today, we have 63 cases of this novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, in Pennsylvania. I think it's really important that people take precautions to avoid exposing themselves to infectious illnesses, and particularly COVID-19. So we really would like people, as much as possible, to kind of stay at home and to have less public contact than they usually would. Now, we have 4 counties, Delaware County, Montgomery County, Chester County, and Bucks County, where we are really asking people very strongly to stay home and asking non-essential businesses to close. And so that's of particular importance. But really in Pennsylvania itself, to stay home as much as possible and avoid large crowds. So we have actually asked all events of 250 people or more to close. One of the most important things that we want people to do is to wash their hands. And we want people to wash their hands for 20 seconds, the time it takes to sing Happy Birthday twice, and to be really careful. Do that 10, 20 times a day. Use hand sanitizer if they're not able to wash their hands at that time. To avoid coughing sort of out into the air or even into their hands, to cough into their elbow. And to try to avoid touching your face as much as possible, because if you touch a surface and you touch your face, that can transmit an infectious disease like COVID-19. Wash surfaces as much as possible, and if you're sick, please stay home. If someone has tested positive for this novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, then they will be isolated. They will be required to stay at home as long as they're not very sick, or if they need medical attention, to be in the hospital, and to stay at home until they're feeling better. And they will be in contact either with our office at the Pennsylvania Department of Health, or for communities that have a county and municipal health department, be in contact with them, and then we will work with them when that isolation will be able to be stopped. Quarantine is a little bit different. It means that you have some potential exposure to this novel coronavirus, COVID-19. So it might be a travel-related exposure, either international travel or perhaps domestic travel, or perhaps you've been exposed to a contact. And so we're asking people then to stay at home for up to 14 days. If they have symptoms, particularly fever, cough, or shortness of breath, then they should contact either us or their county municipal health department to arrange to be tested. And then that quarantine will remain, and as we get the test results back. So if you have an exposure to COVID-19, so a specific travel-related exposure, for instance, travel to Europe or to different areas in Asia, or you have a known contact, you've been exposed to someone that you know has COVID-19, then you should call us at 81877-PA-HEALTH, or call your county municipal health department to be evaluated and potentially and tested. If you don't know that you have an exposure, but you're feeling ill, then we recommend you contact your doctor or your other healthcare provider. It's so important for people to stay calm. The Pennsylvania Department of Health, along with our county and municipal health department partners, are working tirelessly to protect the public health. And so we want to reassure people that we are fully capable of working with the public to address this significant public health threat. So please stay calm, stay at home, and stay safe.